What's going on, guys? This is Manny with MRC Window Cleaning. It's been a long time since I made a video. I think it's been like three weeks and a half, I think. I usually want to, upload more content, but I'm just so busy with family. I got a big family, and plus work and trying to get jobs and things like that. I'm going to be making a video update on my business and what's new on my business. But in this video, I just want to talk about a product that I keep getting asked questions about. There's questions like flooding my inbox of other guys that are just coming up in the business, and they're asking what camera did I use in my last video. I got a message on Instagram, I got a message on text message, I got a email, I got a couple of messages about the camera that I'm using. I don't know what's so special about that video. Maybe, I don't know, the quality, or maybe the angle. I mean, I just don't know, but I got questions about that specific camera. The camera that I'm using in that video is an Eken HD camera. I believe it's Eken HD, something like that. I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can go ahead and buy that camera. It's gonna make it 10 times easier if you just go to that link and just click it, and then bam, the camera's there. You can purchase it. I think right now it's running for $62. And I don't want to bash GoPro, but I think that GoPro is overpriced for the quality that you can get with these cameras that are half the price. It's just amazing. Why spend $250 or $300 on a camera when you can spend half of that money on advertising for your business or buying tools for your business, and you can just spend $62 on a camera that's gonna give you awesome quality. So down in the description, you're gonna find that camera. I made it easier for you guys. So the guys that asked me the question about the camera, there you go. I made the video, so you can just go ahead, purchase the camera, and start recording and making YouTube videos. Again, this camera is amazing. It's not one of those Chinese knockoff cameras that you can find like on what do you call those websites? I know there's an application called Wish. There's another application called a website called gearbest.com where you can find these cameras, but they're very generic, very cheap. I actually got one, and it's like, you can feel how cheap it is. It's light, the quality, the screen is just, it's just garbage. So in the camera that I'm basically letting you guys know about is amazing. The quality, it feels nice and heavy. It's a nice little camera, waterproof. It brings a couple of accessories in the package. So go ahead, guys, purchase the camera, make some videos, get the content up on YouTube, and when you guys get that stuff ready, let me know, and I'll definitely subscribe. I love to support the community. So go ahead, guys, and purchase the camera. You guys are gonna love it. I love it. I like it. I'm gonna purchase another one to get different angles, and let's get rocking, guys. Peace.